The rivers were still there, buried beneath the Sahara Desert, hidden under thousands of years of sand. Scientists scanning below North Africa discovered something impossible. Ancient waterways, massive underground reservoirs, and geometric formations nobody expected to see beneath one of the driest places on Earth. But the most disturbing part wasn't what they found. It was realizing how much of the Sahara is still invisible. Because this desert did not kill its past, it covered it. From space, the Sahara looks endless. Over 9 million square kilometers of dunes, rock fields, dead valleys, and heat. Large parts remain almost completely uninhabited. Some regions are so remote that satellites study them more often than humans do. And, for decades, scientists believed most of the desert's history had already been erased. Then radar technology changed everything. Using satellite imaging capable of penetrating dry sand, researchers began detecting shapes beneath the surface. Not ruins, not at first. Something older. Ancient river networks stretching across the desert floor. Entire landscapes still preserved beneath the sand. The Sahara was not always a desert. Around 11,000 years ago, North Africa entered what scientists call the African humid period. Monsoon systems shifted northward. Rainfall transformed the region. The Sahara became green, not metaphorically, actually green. Satellite data, sediment analysis, and fossil evidence reveal enormous lakes once existed across the desert. One of them, Mega Chad, may have been larger than the Caspian Sea. Crocodiles lived there, hippos, fish, human communities spread across regions now considered completely uninhabitable, and deep inside isolated cave systems, archaeologists discovered rock paintings showing cattle, swimmers, and river life, images that should not exist in a modern desert, because they were created before the Sahara became hostile, before the water disappeared. Then scientists found the rivers. In the early 2000s, radar scans from space missions began revealing buried channels beneath the dunes of Mauritania, Chad, and Libya. Some stretched for hundreds of kilometers. One ancient river system discovered beneath eastern Sahara was nearly the size of the Rhine. And these weren't shallow traces. Some aquifers below the desert contain water trapped underground for tens of thousands of years, water from a completely different climate era. But then researchers noticed something stranger. Certain formations did not resemble natural drainage patterns at all. Straight edges, circular alignments, repeating geometry partially concealed beneath shifting dunes. Geologists warned that nature can produce symmetrical formations, and they were right. But the internet had already become obsessed, because once people realized entire rivers could remain hidden beneath the Sahara, the next question became unavoidable. What else was still down there? The terrifying part is not the mystery, it is the scale. The Sahara is larger than the continental United States. Sandstorms can erase roads in hours. Entire villages have disappeared beneath dunes within decades. Now imagine what 5,000 years can hide, and every few years, new technology reveals another anomaly, another buried lake, another forgotten settlement. In 2024, researchers using advanced remote sensing methods identified previously unknown paleo-lake systems beneath desert regions once thought geologically empty, which means something uncomfortable. The Sahara is not fully mapped, not really. We know the surface, but below it, there are still landscapes humanity has never physically seen. Then came the Libyan desert discoveries. Beneath parts of eastern Sahara lies the Nubian sandstone aquifer system, one of the largest underground freshwater reserves on Earth. An ocean beneath the desert. Some of its water fell as rain during prehistoric climate cycles, long before recorded civilization existed, and hidden around these regions are strange geological scars visible only from above. Dry river deltas, buried basins, collapsed channels. The remains of ecosystems erased so completely that humans forgot they existed at all. That realization changed the story, because this was no longer about a few lost ruins. It meant entire worlds had vanished, not mythological worlds, real ones, with rivers, migration routes, settlements, possibly thousands of undiscovered archaeological sites, still buried, still unreachable. And there is another problem. The desert moves. Dunes migrate constantly across the Sahara. Some regions shift several meters every year, which means structures buried centuries ago can suddenly reappear, then vanish again. Archaeologists have already uncovered Roman forts, ancient caravan routes, and lost settlements emerging temporarily from the sand before being consumed again by storms. The Sahara does not preserve history cleanly. It reveals fragments, then hides them again. And because so much of the desert remains inaccessible, nobody knows how many sites have appeared and disappeared without ever being recorded. That uncertainty fuels the darker theories online. Lost civilizations, buried cities, forgotten kingdoms erased by climate collapse. Most of those theories are exaggerated, but the core fear behind them is real. Because climate has erased entire human worlds before, and the Sahara is physical proof. The real discovery beneath the Sahara is not a hidden city. It is something far more disturbing: fragility. Scientists now believe the transformation from green landscape to hyper-arid desert may have happened far faster than previously assumed in some regions. Not slowly, abruptly. Ecosystems collapsed, water vanished, human populations migrated, and the desert advanced across North Africa like a planetary-scale extinction event. That means ancient people living there may have watched their entire world die within generations. Rivers shrinking, lakes disappearing, trade routes collapsing. Civilizations do not vanish all at once. First the water leaves, then the roads, then memory. Today, satellites continue scanning beneath the Sahara, and every year the desert reveals another hidden scar beneath the sand, another river, another lake bed, another reminder that the modern world is built over landscapes we barely understand. But the most unsettling part is this: the Sahara is not ancient history, it is a warning. Because the largest desert on Earth was once alive, green, wet, filled with animals, rivers, and human life. And now almost all of it is gone, buried beneath silence and sand. Which means somewhere beneath the dunes tonight, entire forgotten worlds are still waiting in the dark, and humanity still has no idea how much was lost.